Hello, hi, how are you? Welcome to today's business info session. My name is Phumzile. This is going to be a very short and brief session where I share with you about the business and the benefits of being in the business and what the business has done for me. Please sit tight, just listen to the presentation and have an open mind while you listen to this presentation. Thank you for so much for taking the time and being here and taking your time to be in this session. I hope that it's going to be very productive for you, and also it's going to be informative. As I have said, my name is Phumzile Thobela. Please just have an open mind while you listen to this wonderful presentation, while you listen to this wonderful opportunity. I have been in this business since April 2024. I have done this business successfully since then. I have always thought of myself as someone who is not going to be able to sell, who doesn't like talking to people, who doesn't like being around the people or surrounding myself with the people. I thought I was just an introvert. Little did I know that I could learn to talk to people. I could learn to get along with other people. I could learn to share my space with other people. As you can see, I'm the host for today's session. I am Phumzile Thobela, as I said. I am a stay-at-home mom of three kids. I am a former medical admin assistant. I am now a full-time entrepreneur. I'm going to share my story of how I went from being employed to creating my own freedom through this business. Let's start from the beginning. It all started in 2023, November 12th. I remember the exact date because it was my sister's birthday. It was how it was a time when we thought let's do something and not just sit around for the birthday. We didn't have any money. We didn't have much. We just thought let's just go out and do something and enjoy it. That's when we decided to go and have lunch for her birthday. We went to a certain hotel in town. In that same hotel, there was a presentation that was going on at that same day, same hotel. We were just curious about it. We told ourselves, oh, because we're not doing anything much, let's just go and hear what they're talking about and hear what the presentation is about. That's how we started to that's how we got that's how we went in and listened to the presentation. We didn't know that it was going to change our lives, it was going to change our mindset. We just thought, just a couple of hours, what harm can it do? So we went there and sat and heard everything about the presentation, the business, how everything is done. My reason for joining, as I said before, I don't like talking, I don't like sharing my space with people, but little did I know that it was only because I thought my life wasn't getting together. I thought my things were not getting together as other people. Before I joined the business, I wasn't able to support my family as I thought I had to. I wasn't able to share my time and share more time with my family because I thought that maybe I wasn't doing a good job. I was also in trouble with debt. I was also in trouble with owing people money. So I didn't have much of an energy, or I didn't have confidence on myself. So I joined the business to be able to support my family. I joined the business to be able to spend more time with my family. And the one thing that most people join the business, it's because of extra income. And for me, it has added another reason with the growth opportunity, because with the personal growth that comes with joining the business, it helps you develop, it helps you grow, personally and emotionally, which is much better than what you can ever expect. I was never good talking to people. I was never good in starting conversations. But with this business, the confidence that comes with it, I'm able now to start conversations because we talk about the product. I use the product and my skin is much clearer, it's much cleaner and healthier. And I feel like I have to share with everyone about my transformation with the product, the way I use the product. I have to share everything that I get, every benefit I get from the product. My transformation life now, since I have started the business, my life it has changed drastically. It has changed in a good way. I am happy with how my life is now. I am now full time in the business. I have improved my confidence, and it has also improved my leadership skills. I have more time with my team members. I have more time to spend developing my team. I have more time to spend with all of my team members who are in the business, who are also doing well in the business. This is a great point for me because I was never that kind of a person. I thought it wasn't in me to communicate with other people and inspire other people. This is one of the greatest things I have learned through this business. How I lost my job. Well, that is not a story that's smiley faces and stuff. But I got terminated from my employer in August 18. I worked as a medical administrator. Suddenly lost my job after years of service. The best thing was when I lost my job, I already had started with my side hustle. I already started getting income from my hustle. I already started paying off the loans and the debts that I had before joining the business. So I can say in the clear, I was in a better, I was better than I was before I joined the business, money wise and time wise. I was able now to associate my time in the right manner so I can be able to do my part-time hustle and also do my full-time job. So when shifting from being a full-time employee to being a stay-at-home mom, it wasn't such a hard thing to do because I was already into the business. I was already happy about what the business was doing for me. So it just had to be a little shift and just a mindset shift also for me to get used to being at home full time and working on my business full time than what I did before. But it wasn't such a bad thing. I was already building in my business. I was already earning from my business while also employed. From being employed to a stay-at-home mom, it's such a shift, it's such a transformation. I worked full time. I had limited time for my kids. I didn't have time to spend with my kids. I didn't have much time to spend at home. And I also depended on a single income, which was very hard as a single mother. I started the business to part time while I was working. It helped me gain my confidence. It helped me gain my skills, meaning my personal growth skills and also my confidence. It helped me build a safety net for my finances. Now, as I am a stay-at-home mom, I am doing the business full time. I work my inflexible schedule. I work from home. I am still able to pay and provide for my family. Personal growth and inspiration to others is very important to me. As I continue to inspire myself, I also inspire others to do better. The business that I am talking about is a forever living business. Forever Living Business is a global health and wellness company which is trusted in more than 60 countries. It's a company which provides nutrition, aloe vera based products, skincare, weight management, and personal care. It's a product which is operating in more than 160 countries. It is also has been in South Africa for 30 years now. It has been doing great in South Africa for 30 years now. Why aloe, as other people would like to know? Aloe is a natural healing and wellness uh, that helps a lot of people. Aloe is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Sorry. It supports your digestive system, immunity, and skin care. It's also trusted and pure. Forever uses stabilized aloe vera preservatives, globally recognized for quality and effectiveness. It's a very recognized product everywhere you go. When you have this bottle, the aloe bottle, everyone notices. Everyone asks about it because they know it and they know the good work that it can do for a person, whether inside or outside of their bodies. What is Forever? Forever is a network marketing business opportunity. It's a home-based, flexible, and time manageable business that helps you grow financially and personally. It has been seen for years helping people financially. It has been a system that has been proven to grow your own business. It also creates extra income by selling high quality products. That's what we do in Forever. We sell high quality products. They are aloe based health, wellness, and personal care products. The product that people love, they use daily and they trust because they know that the aloe based products are forever trusted. It's an opportunity to earn through retail sales and team building. That's what we do. We sell the product and we also build our own teams. As I was saying, in Forever, what do? There are 4 legs for your Forever business to be successful. We do 4 things, which every Forever business owner does. We have 4 things that we do. We use the product. Number one, to use the product is when you become your own best customer. You buy the products for yourself and your family and use them. When you use the product and experience the benefits, that's when you're able to share the benefits with other people. You're able to share what the product has done for you or your kids or your family, anyone who in the household has been using the product. Then people, they tend to trust you more when you have testimonies which they see and they have noticed on you and your family. So you get customers like that. Number two, we share the product. When you're sharing the product, when you get to tell people, you get to tell everyone around you about the product, that you have started using this product and they also see what the product has been doing for you. You also help others improve their health by sharing these products. You help them improve their health and wellness each time they use the product. Number three, we build a team. Building a team is when someone is also interested and sees you selling the product and sees what the business has been doing for you, and they also say they're interested in joining the business. That's how you build your team. You grow your network and your earning potential, because when you recruit someone in your team, the company pays you for every recruitment that you have in your team. Number four, we coach you. You coach your team. When coaching your team is when you recruit someone, you don't just let them join and leave them like that. You let them join and train and mentor them for them to succeed. Also, you show them what to do. You show them how to be successful in the business. That's when you earn bonuses and income as they grow. They also earn what they deserve. The most important thing is how to start the business. We have two ways of starting the business. You can either be a full member or a half member. A half member can start small, focus on selling products and see how the business works. That's when you are not fully committed in the business, but you just want to see how the business works for you and how you are going to do the business. You can be a full member from anything between 1,550 and 7,110. Anything between those amounts, you can buy your first stock with it. That's what the only benefit in that half membership is you get 5% discount. There are no other incentives, there are no other benefits when you are a half member. The second option is being a full member. Full member gets complete starter kit, full training, mentorship, and the ability to earn not just from sales but also from building a team. That's when you become a full member, you buy the box Yotuma, which is a packed choice of products, which are the fast selling products in South Africa right now. In the half member, you choose your own products. You choose which products you want to start with, and you start with them and work with the person who introduced you to the business to grow and also reach a full member. The best part is it's flexible. You can start part-time while testing the waters. As I said, you start small as a half member and grow your business at your own pace until you are ready to go full-time, until you are ready to be a full member in the business. We have a case credit which we use in Forever, which is called CC. We normally call them CC. It's a case credit which is used as a global point system in our company. When you're building your business, as we know that it is all in over 160 countries. So when you're using the CCs, it makes it easier for someone in Europe or in America to know what you're talking about when you say that you now have one CC, because we all use the same currency. One CC is the same in South Africa as it is in Lesotho or in America. We all using the same case credit. Forever Living case credit, it's the company's business currency. It's how your progress and activities are measured in the business, no matter which country you are. The minimum requirements in the business, as you are active in the business, you have to do at least 4cc a month. How can you do those 4cc? You can do those 4cc in 3 ways. You can use the product. You can buy 1cc for yourself and your family. That's how you use the product and use them at home. That's also one system. You can also retail. When retailing, that's when you buy a product to sell and make profit. You can also retail another 1cc. You buy that 1cc and sell it. You can also recruit. Recruiting is when you have someone who's interested in joining the business and they join with their Boxotuma. A Boxotuma is 2cc, which means you had one to use, you had another 1cc to retail, and you have 2cc from recruitment. Those CC, they all make 4cc, and it shows that you are active in the business. A minimum of requirement is the 4cc. You can go more, you can go even to 10cc, higher than that. If it all depends on how hard you work in the business. I'm gonna share with you how we make our money in Forever Living. We have an example here of how we make money in Forever. In this example, we using the alu bottle, our trademark, our trade product, our famous one, the 1 liter alu bottle. When you are a full member in the business, you joined as a full member, you get 30% discount. When you get 30% discount, that means your profit is 30%. When you sell one alu a day, you get 168 rand 42 cents. That's the profit that you make. When you sell 2 bottles per day, you get 336 and 83 cents. That's the profit you get when you sell 2 bottles. If you continue to do this every day, you continue to do it for 7 days, which means you will sell 14 bottles in a week, in 7 days. The profit you'll get from selling those 14 bottles is 2,357.83 cents. That's a lot of profit to get just from selling 2 bottles per day. When you continue to do that for 30 days, that means you sell 60 bottles in a month. Your total profit, it will be 10,105.20 cents. That is a lot of money for a lot of people who are waking up in the morning, going to work. This is almost someone's salary. Someone else doesn't even earn this much, but you're gonna get this profit just from selling alu. When you're selling the alu every day, this is the profit you can get. As you can see, you have sold and got profit at 10,000, which means you now in 6 cc's, as I explained the cc in the previous slide, which means you have met the minimum requirements and went over the minimum requirements from the company, because you are now not in 4cc but in 6 cc's. With that 6 cc's is your monthly case credits that you have worked for. In that same month, when 2 people come and tell you that they're also interested in joining the business, they are also interested in learning more about the business, and for you to coach them and share with them how the business works, the company also gives you a preferred customer bonus. When you recruit people, you get once off bonus, which for 2 people, for 1 person it's 1,600, and for 2 people it's 3,247.26 cents. That is a once off bonus you get just because you recruited those 2 people in that month. On the 15th, the company also gives you a boost bonus for you, just to say thank you for buying products, thank you for being active in the company, which is 2,116.60 cents. Those people who join in your business that month, they each buy 2 cc worth of products, which is the Epoxy. Those 2 cc, 2 cc plus 2 cc, it's 4 cc, which means your cc's now move from 6.12 to 10 cc's. You automatically move up to the next level with 10 cc. I will explain that in the next slide. On that centered month that you have worked and sold 60 bottles and also had 2 recruits, the profit and the total amount that is your income for that month is going to be 15,469.6 cents for the whole month. That's the total income that you made just from selling the aloe bottles and recruiting 2 people in the same month. We come to our marketing plan. Our marketing plan, that's how we see and we notice the growth in our company. The Forever Living marketing plan is easy to follow and easy to read. We have Forever preferred customer, which is in the red dot, which I have explained that when you are a half member, that's when you join with anything below 7,110 rand. With that, with any amount less than that, you become a preferred customer, which is half member. You only get 5% discount when buying products. You don't get any other benefits when you are a half member. Our second slide is when you become a full member. You can become a full member by When you are from the preferred customer as a half member, you can be a assistant supervisor with just 2 CCs. With doing 2 CCs in 2 months, you can do 1 CC in the first month, you can do the second CC in the second month, and automatically you become an assistant supervisor. With being an assistant supervisor, you get a 30% discount when buying product, which means your profit is 30%. You also get 25% for ever preferred customers. You also get 5% boost bonus if you are for CC active. The 4CC active is for every leader in the business. If you are a business owner, you need to be 4CC active every month for you to be able to get the 5% from the company. We also have the option of not the option, we also have the second level, which is supervisor. Supervisor, that's when you get 38% discount when buying products. You also get the 25%. You get 8% from your preferred customers with a volume balance bonus. Sorry, you also get 3% based on your assistant supervisor team. You only get the 3% from them. You can be a supervisor by doing 10 CC in 1 month, then you are automatically a supervisor. The next level is assistant manager. Assistant manager is when you get 43% discount when buying products. You also get the 25%. You get 13% from your preferred customer bonus. You get 5% from your supervisor from your supervisor team when they do group retail purchases. You also get 8% from your assistant supervisor group retail purchases. The next level is the big one, the manager level. Manager level is when you get 48% discount when buying products. That's almost half of the price of the product. You also get the 25%. You get 18% from if you know, preferred customer bonus. You get 5% from assistant manager group retail. You get 10% from supervisor group retail purchases. You get 13% from assistant supervisor group retail purchases. As you can see, the slides get a bit bigger than the last one. As you can see on the manager slide, there is a lot of ways to get money. You can get money from your assistant manager's team. You can get money from your supervisor's team. You can get money from assistant supervisor's team. To be a manager, you need to do 150 CCs in 4 months or 120 CCs in 2 months. We have incentives in the business. As you work, as you grow in the business, you are allowed to qualify to work and qualify for any incentives that you want to qualify for. The first incentive is Forever to Drive. Forever to Drive is an add-on in all the incentives, in all the qualifications that we have in the business. With Forever to Drive, you get the opportunity to add more money from the company. If you want to qualify for any of these incentives, you just have to work towards the incentives. For you to qualify for Forever to Drive, we have 3 levels. You can qualify level 1, level 2, and level 3. Level 1, you have to do 150 CCs in 3 months, which the company gives you 7,000 per month for 3 months. While you are in level 1 in Forever to Drive. In level 2, you have to do 225 CCs in 3 months, which the company will give you 10,500 every month for 3 months. In level 3, you have to do 300 CCs. The company will add on 14,000 per month for 3 months in your bank account. This money, you don't have to use it to buy a car. You can do anything you want with it. You can pay your children's school fees. You can renovate your house. You can do anything. The company just deposit the money in your account and you can decide what you can do with it. Another incentive is our yearly trips. We have 3 trips every year. All those trips you can qualify by working towards them. You are allowed to bring a partner in any of these trips that you would like to that you have qualified for. We have the Level Up, we have Eagles Manager, we have Global Rally. With all those trips, once you qualify, the company gives you spending money for each trips. They give the spending money to you and your partner that you have chosen to travel with. Everything is paid for. You just go there and enjoy yourself and relax. This is the best part about being in the company because you get free trips, free international trips. So no one will say they don't like to travel. Everyone likes to travel and enjoy themselves. I know you're asking yourself, will this work for me? It definitely can if you're willing to learn and put in the effort. I'll show you exactly how it works and support you every step of the way. The system is proven for your results depending on your consistency. You just have to take it seriously. You just have to put in the effort. The person who invited you, who introduced you to this business, they will show you how it's done. They will support you all the way. They will be with you every step of the way. Just to be there for them and be there with them and share your journey with them. That's the most important thing, is be coachable and attend every training that is available for you. Thank you so much. We have come to the end of our session. If you have any questions or inquiries, please do refer to the person who has invited you, who has shared this wonderful opportunity with you, and thank them because they have shared the greatest opportunity for you. They have shared what they know that it's going to help you in your life. Thank you so much.